HQ. Start at 35. I'm so excited.
Yes, sir.
Hey, how y'all doing?
All right, you safe, sir?
You mind rolling the back window down? I can't see in the back. Oh, hey, how y'all doing? If you all could just do me a favor, make sure your hands, I can see all y'all's hands, okay?
How you doing tonight, sir?
I'm doing good. Is this your car?
This is my godmother's car.
Your grandmother's?
Godmother.
Your godmother. Okay. I got you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. You got a good driver's license on you? You do? Okay. All right. Where y'all headed to?
I was going to Walmart, but she was
Yeah.
find out it was closed. That's why I busted U-turn.
I got you.
And then I was just heading on.
Did you realize that's why I pulled you over?
Yes, sir. I know.
Okay. I was just checking.
Just because the light was, I thought just because the light was red and then there was no one coming, I could actually make that U-turn.
Okay.
But that's the only reason I did bust the U-turn part with light being red, because technically, I mean, it doesn't say don't bust a U-turn on red.
Okay.
It says you.
Okay. So when it's a red arrow, it basically means don't go,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. You're right.
Okay.
That's correct.
All right. You got your ID on you real quick? Any firearms in the vehicle, anything like that?
May I turn off the car?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Well, I do know my ID by heart.
Where's your ID at?
I left it at home. I was going to Walmart. No,
You left it at home. Do you have a good license?
Yes, sir, I do. That's why
Okay.
I can give you everything, whatever you need.
Okay.
Car.
Go ahead. Step out the vehicle.
Yes, sir, no problem. Whatever you need.
Turn around. Do you mind if I check you for weapons?
Please do.
Is that just a little bit of weed in your pocket?
No, sir, it's a bag of chips.
Bag of chips.
Bag of chips.
It's just keys.
Yes, sir.
All right. No. Just slide back here with me. Let me get your ID real quick.
I don't actually, but I know my ID number by heart, and it's me, Yolandis Lamar.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes,
you
sir.
just gotta have a state ID card.
I have a driver's license with my name on it. Everything is just that it's at the house. I know
It's
it.
at the house. Okay.
I know my whole number by heart.
Okay. Cool. Quick question. Do you have a medical marijuana card?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Where is that at?
That's also at the house.
Okay.
And I do have the code and everything for that. That's why, if possible, as far as getting my phone, because I do have a marijuana
You have a
card.
picture of it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Does everyone in there have a medical marijuana card?
I'm not sure about them, but that's why I was driving.
Okay.
As far as just in case of having.
All right. You have your phone on you that you could show me the medical marijuana? Yeah. Go ahead and grab the phone. Let's look that up real quick.
Yes, sir. Pull up the email if you don't mind.
Okay. Go ahead. Put your stuff on the car.
Yeah.
You don't got your ID on you, so you're just gonna hang out in the back of my car, all right? Just put yourself in there,
Yes, sir.
on top of the car. Go ahead, slide it. I'm gonna go ahead and take it though. Quick question: do you have a medical marijuana card?
Sir, I don't answer any questions, sir.
Okay, step out of the vehicle for me.
I can show you my.
Step out of the vehicle for me. Do not reach behind your back.
I'm not reaching behind.
Step
my back,
out of the
sir.
vehicle.
You reaching for your weapon.
Because you reached behind your
I'm
back
trying to
when
show
I
you
told you to
how-
step out of the car. Step
sir.
out of the car, do it now.
I got.
Step out of the car, do it
I
now.
got my
step out of the car when I tell you to.
I'm finna, sir.
Hey,
You're
stop
gonna do it
preaching.
now.
You know who I am, sir. You know who I am.
Stop preaching.
Listen, sir. I'm a brother, sir. I can show you my identification,
Keep both
sir.
your hands up, just
I
like
can
you're
show
doing
you my
now.
Hey,
identification.
You understand
keep
me?
your pull your gun out.
I got a weapon on me, sir.
I know you got one.
Yeah.
Hey, stop!
Pull your gun out. Hey,
Stop!
Sir,
stop.
put my handcuffs down, sir. Put my handcuffs, sir. Sir, you got me right here, sir.
Get on the ground. HQ. Shots fired. We're at Dunham Turner. We got one running eastbound. Keep it on him. Eastbound on Dunn Avenue. Send rescue 1067. Got one down. Do not move! Do you understand?
Passing Lim Turner or the Walmart. Keep your eyes on him. I'm coming right down the road. Those units, shots fired by the police or shots fired by the...
Shots fired by suspect and by police. Need several 35s. Yeah, just keep it on him.
Other engagement to 51.
Do not move!
Around me. Air unit K9. I'm almost in ISO.
And I'm 1051. Is he got Lim Turner and Dunn Avenue on that corner?
10-4. We have one suspect down, and we've got one that's ran off eastbound on Dunn Avenue. One detained in my car.
Do you have description that the suspect is still outstanding?
That way, yeah. He already ran from me once.
Identify when it's clear.
We need rescue 1068. Got one suspect shot.
1051.
Nice, over.
Subject's coming from eastbound. Be careful. I'm not. He went that way, so. Not sure how many subjects have firearms.
run.
We've moved away from the vehicle, so we need to approach the vehicle.
For what you need me to do? I'm right here.
All right. Let's approach.
Yeah.
Come over here with us and help us clear the vehicle.
You want me to get behind the vehicle, or you want me to go with you? Where you at station?
We're right here, right next to the building.
You didn't get hit or anything, did you?
No, I don't believe so.
Yeah,
Let me check. Just don't flag anyone.
Yeah.
Step out of the way. I don't know if they have fire.
You don't see anything over there, do you? Right now?
There was how many in the back?
There
Two?
was 3 in the back.
Are they still in there?
Alpha 260, you're right in our crossfire.
Is anyone in the car right now? Say something if you're in the vehicle. I think everyone left. Hey, do you think we want to get one on the back side of the building?
Okay, we're 3 in the back,
3 in the back.
2 in the front. Female, I believe, on the left. 2 males, 4 males total. All right, if you're in the vehicle, slowly open the door.
1068.
If you're in the vehicle, slowly open the door. You will get shot if we do not see your hands. Slowly open the door.
Wait, 366, did I stuff?
There's 1 in my vehicle, in the back seat.
Are there any officers shot?
1054, I just got 1 suspect that fell out of the car. He signaled 0, but I got the 0. He's been shot by the police. No officers are hit.
Are you ready?
Yes, on the scene. Do we have a perimeter set for the suspects who ran?
Somebody still in the car?
I can't see if any.
1054.
Tell you what, let's do it like this.
They're about to clear the car that the suspect fell from.
We're gonna go
Come from behind. Yeah.
Yes,
All right. So let's circle.
All right.
Circle, circle.
X3661 on 1097 on Dunn. Driving that way. Is there a description for the outstanding suspect?
It's gonna be 1 Bravo Mike, unknown clothing. 1 Bravo Foxtrot, unknown clothing.
Left side, okay?
We're clearing the car now. 10
Hey,
towards you.
the guy in the car handcuffed, correct?
Yes, the guy in my car is not handcuffed.
Not handcuffed.
No, but I've already checked him.
Rescue to proceed.
742, 104.
I got
The only one on Limb Turner.
All right, if you're in the vehicle, open the door.
I'm in the middle of Limb Turner. I need Limb Turner blocked off.
Open the door.
Yeah, I mean.
Let's clear it then.
All right, I'm going to stay online, guys.
See any movement in the vehicle?
Got nothing.
You're clear?
Let's not flag each other. Nothing in the back.
Okay.
All right.